Hey Lakshman, look at river Godavari like necklace of earth. Let us fulfill our stepmother's wish to wander in the forest for 14 years like saints. I think we better cross the river Sarayu, Chitrakuta mountain and Dandakarani to reach Panchavati where we can build the Padma Shri. Lakshman, please take care of it.
As you wish, my brother. There are a lot of wild animals seen in this dense forest. Bear, tiger, elephant, lions, cheetahs, king cobras and wild oxen all running free. This may terrify Sita Devi, but I use fire, I use an arrow to scare all of them. There is a sword appearing in the sky. Let us take the sword and chop that huge tree. With the same sword we can slice 12 pillars, beams, axes and joiners for the whole Parnasala. Go and quickly finish the job. Brother, I finished the job. Now we can stay in the Parnasala.
Hey, Sita. While looking at the Parnasala made by my brother Lakshman, I feel the serene minds of Brahmins, the magnanimous river Ganga, and calm and compose the deep ocean of Nile. All good on. We can shift here in next auspicious occasion. Sita?
Oh, yes, Priyatama, as you wish. The dotted skin of it shines like 24 karat gold. What a conscious creature. I am very much attracted to it and I love to get it now. Swami, this is not like dear Sri Swami Chitrakoodam Dandagayani. It is exceptional. Please get me that Swami. Hurry. Oh, I want it.
Sita enticed by a golden deer roaming near Padma Shri. Janaki is compelling me to catch that golden deer. She loves too much. If it goes far, I'll use an arrow. Or if near, I'll catch it by hand. Lakshman, please take care of Padma Shri and Janaki with utmost care. Be careful.
As you wish, brother, I will do.
Here, the deer is approaching. It is running fast. I have to carefully look at it. Oh dear, come near. Come near here. Come near to me, come. Hey, come. Hey, don't run away and hide. Come here.
ஓதாதேவி என்னுள் வந்தார் உன்னை விரும்பி நான் வந்தேன் சீதா கமல சீதேவி சென்று விழித்து மானேவி மறுபூங்குழலி வளர்க்கின்றார்
Even if what Lakshman said was right, I must get this deer to satisfy Sita. It's running swiftly in front of me. I think I should use an arrow to bring it down. That is the only way. Sita! Help me! I'm hurt and I'm bleeding. Help me! Now tell me, I'm getting killed by Rakshasa. Save me before I die! Sita! Lakshman, please come and help. Oh, the crooked Marija is crying loud in my sound. What a tragic situation I'm in. This cry will be heard only by Sita, not by Lakshman.
Brother Lakshman, we have no reason for anguish. I hear the frantic cry of Swami. I think he may be in trouble. I need help. Don't you hear the loud cry? I'm totally worried. Still you are standing here insolent as if nothing has happened. Please go and look for your brother and find out what happened to him. I am worried, brother.
My brother Rama will never face any harm from anybody. Stay calm, sister.
If you don't go right now and say Swami, I will die in this wildfire.
I'm sure about your statement, sister. Don't fear about that loud cry. It's a trick, I'm sure. For your safety, I will draw a line around this parasana. Never cross the line under any circumstances. Jatayu, the king of birds will look after you till we come back. Keep my words in your mind always. I am going now. I couldn't see him in this forest too. Let me look into the distant forest.
When I compelled Marija to detach Raman from Sita, I never expected that he will depart himself from me. It is not surprising that true people will end life doing only harm to others. It is happy to see it that way. disguised as a stain to your Sita. Yes, that is a perfect design. Tera! Hari Om Hari.
Hara Hara Shiva Shiva Mahadeva Shambho Jaya Pulavar. Shiva Shiva Jaya Mukharana Shambho Purana Pundita Purana. Ambara Sarashe Arumarate Shambho Anandate Irunde. Nadasarashe Bhuniye Shambho Pulavarena Pulakandiye. Hara Hara Shiva Shiva Mahadeva Shambho Jaya Pulavar. Hara Hara Shiva Shiva Mahadeva Shambho Jaya Pulavar. Hara Hara Shiva Shiva Mahadeva Shambho Jaya Pulavar.
Bhikshan Dehi. Is there anybody in this Parmashala to serve this meal?
Who are you? Oh, Reverend Saint.
Kindly provide me with some food, Honorable Lumi. I am very hungry. Hear my story, and then I will depart from here. Listen to you much. What do you think of Raman? The great, the most powerful king of all time. I spared you because you are a beautiful woman. Otherwise, I would have ate you by now. Oh, Sita is encircled by sacred fire. I'm going to lift you and kidnap you for sure. With my powerful sword Chandrahasa, I can even kick out the whole earth and place it on my chariot. Do you understand? Tera!
You! Somebody help me! Bird Jirayu! Come here, Jyoti, and help! Help me! Help me! Look, Ravana is kidnapping Sita. I must help her and stop Ravana from his merciless and monstrous attempt. Sita, I am coming.
Chittai kilayodu nin vaalvaillam chuttaidu enna tudanginadu pattayanade kudupatti vitte kudiyadidu kundiyaga.
The most idiotic singer, Ravana, this crime will lead to annihilation of your tribe completely. I swear you know Sita is the wife of Lord Rama. You dreadful Sita, I will not allow you to go if Sita is not revealed right now. I will block all your way.
You scavenger bird! How dare you challenge me? Do whatever you can! Anyway, you have come to die for sure. My sword Chandrahasa will slash your wings and body into pieces. Let us fight, face to face. My weak spot lies on the thumb of left foot. Now tell me yours.
My weak spot is on seventh feather of right knee. I am not scared of your thunders. Now I will fragment your left thumb. Here I am.
I will cut off your right wing now. Take this flash from Chandrahasa's sword. Tera! Now I am free to take Sita through sky.
Oh,
Finally, I reached Lanka. I won't take her inside palace, but lead to Ashoka tree. Hey, we have happy days ahead. Dancers, proceed with some lovely dance. I am happy. Very nice music. This distributes presents to all.